This document is an enhanced life estate deed, otherwise known as a Ladybird Deed. It's appropriate in certain circumstances where the beneficiaries that you would like to leave your real property to are adults, not minors. And if you are okay with them inheriting your property outright, meaning you're not trying to put parameters on what they can do with the property down the road, you trust that your beneficiary or if you're naming two or more, that they will be able to agree with what to do, so we're not creating problems for them down the road. If you can say yes to all of those questions, then an enhanced life estate deed or a Ladybird deed is probably right for you. It's a great tool for keeping real property outside of probate. You sign the deed now and record the deed in public records now, and then all it takes to effect the transfer of property is recording a death certificate in the public records. So the transfer of ownership is automatic. In this particular deed, this person, Jane Smith, is giving a life estate to herself. Unlike a traditional life estate deed, this is an enhanced life estate deed. So the difference is with this document, you still have exclusive rights to your property. You can sell it, refinance it, lease it, do whatever you want to do with it. You don't require the consent of anyone else to do that. And only if you own the property when you pass are you saying you would like it to pass to the person that you name as your beneficiary here. So in this document, we'll have the county, the legal description, which we may or may not take from the deed that gave you title, depending on the length of time, how long ago it was that you purchased the property or acquired the property. We'll have the address of your property for clarity here. And then we'll have this language. Yours may look different. So if this is your homestead property, it will say, this is my homestead property. I'm either married or not married, and I either do or do not have minor children. In this example, I have used language that it is not the grantor's homestead property. Then you sign in the presence of two disinterested witnesses and a notary. This does get recorded in the public records. You may have a page 3 containing your legal description if the legal description is long. You won't see any change to the title of your property on the public website, on the public records, but you may see life estate next to your name. You may see the future beneficiary's name listed on the property record as well. Again, it doesn't change any of your ownership rights now, so don't worry about that. It just says, if I own the property when I pass, this is the person that I want it to go to, and I want it to go to them outside of probate.